Yeah, man, blessed one again. So, may I say this is Star Seed once again here? Yeah. So, today we have to talk about two things. See? And this goes for both ladies and gentlemen. Alright? Yeah. So, stay tuned here right now. And we're going to jump off the topic. Alright? So, we're going to talk about two things. We're going to talk about cheat and cheater. You understand what I say? So, here the difference now between cheater and cheaters. Alright? A man we have him woman and everything good and things nice and everything, and him been with the woman for many years and loving and nice and a go on and but sometime I mean a person will sneak out and get a little one knock up cause him go spice up the little from old to new one, just a one time thing, and that's about it. You see me I say? Step out of the relationship and give it a little bit. Put it to you, make you understand. Right, that's a cheat. In another thing what happen on a regular basis. Now a cheater in a relationship and with that person and everything good and yeah. But that a person then not top run road none at all. From one to the left, one to the right, everywhere that person turn. You see what me I say? Them the person who is who you the one you call cheaters. Yeah, them can't stay still. Yeah. And God them bet them are cheaters. Them dream them are cheat. Everything they do, them number one priority is cheaters. Yeah. So what me I say? So I just saw the thing roll. You understand what me I say? Another thing when me notice is some people grow up fast too. And so I mean, so they didn't really get to experience the younger, teenage years of enjoyment and stuff like that. So I guess probably some people go back in that time frame to enjoy themselves at an older age. I don't know, I'm just saying. When I look through certain perspective. Yeah, you understand? So, and in a relationship, when one person cheat and the next one find out, and if that person can't hold it enough and then that person say, oh, me go cheat too. It's a new ball game just start right there. Relationship mash up. Everything done with. Yeah. Because now it's too hot-head. You understand what I say? That's how life go. Sometimes you have to look on certain things and really see, if what you have, if you really throw it away for nothing, See what I mean? So, you just have to love your partner, and have to love each other and make the thing go like that. See? Blessed one again, Star Seed is here. I'm out.